This idea that we're comprised of an interrelated set of fields that permeates the body and to some degree extends outside of the body is reasonable and has a solid foundation scientifically.
I think it is an absolute new frontier. It's a part of our biology, but only now are we trying to uncover how it's involved in our physiology.
We are fundamentally electric, and it makes sense that we would have fields around us as well.
All living cells produce light. They're called biophotons.
Light signals that are part of biological communication.
They're all fields and they're all biofields. If you combine them all together, you get a net biofield.
Almost every culture in the world has some description of something that looks like what we're calling in modern times the biofield. Vital force is sort of the Western version of that. Qi is the Chinese version of that. Prana is the Ayurvedic version of that. I would call it some kind of subtle phenomena, subtle informational phenomena.
This was a pilot study to measure the putative human biofield.
We've seen repeatedly throughout scientific history that when there's a new form of measurement, we see something we had never seen before, and something new is discovered.
"23 subjects, 23 volunteers."
We did what we called a mental state monitoring protocol, designed to evoke different mental states or emotional states.
We wanted to see how the fields would change as the volunteers' state changed.
First, we induced feelings of love by having each subject watch a touching video of a loved one. Then, in another intervention, we had subjects practice a guided meditation.
Are you open for the meeting? I'm open for it.
Finally, we took a smaller subset of participants and put them through a biofield healing.
Across all 23 subjects, we were able to measure and visualize these subjects' biofields. We were able to see that each of the interventions produced changes in their fields. Cardiac, brain, infrared radiation, and biophotons. When someone feels love, engages in meditation, or receives an energy healing, their biofields appear to change. Now this suggests our biofields are not only intimately part of us and projected from us, but may be responding as a dynamic, interrelated biofield system. As we learn more about biofields, there's very reasonable hope and belief among scientists and clinicians that we will be able to better diagnose, treat chronic disease, and usher in an important new paradigm of health and wellness.